Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I have been making my spools, well, making them up because I ordered them off Amazon. So I thought I would just, before I finish making them all, I thought I'd show you how I do it. Now I have done a video on this before, and I have shown you how to make them out of toilet roll tubes as well. But I've ordered more off Amazon because I just love them, and I bought all this lovely lace on here from Temu, and I wanted to sort of like store it before, because look, I've got it still in a nice jumbled mess in here, and it's just going to get all tangled. If I don't do it now, I won't do it, if you know what I mean. But love it, I just love them. So all of these are all on here, lovely and tidy. Now the other ones that I did, which I will link the video down, I made them out of toilet roll tubes. So if you didn't want to buy them off Amazon, you can make your own. So I show you how to do that. I've got some corrugated card and a toilet roll tube inside. This one is just a little bit bigger circle on there because I've got sort of thicker, bulkier trim on there, and it holds it lovely, doesn't it? Which I love. And I also, behind me, I made the bigger ones. So again, it's just some cards, corrugated card. I think it's the Amazon packaging, good old Amazon. This is a kitchen paper tube as well, and which is obviously done my bigger, wider trim. Which looks beautiful, doesn't it? So this is all on view, and I have done two big ones of these. I was going to do some more and I didn't get around to doing it, so I will be making some more bigger ones in the future. But because I'm doing this, I just thought it might just give you a little reminder. If you've bought them before and you haven't made them, they're sat there somewhere in your craft room waiting to be made. This is a little reminder. So what I've done, I haven't got any plain ones left because I covered them, but this is how they come. And they come and they've got these little bits in the middle like that. So these are going to be perfect. If I punch a little hole, I can use them as little closures. So I got a nice big bundle of those. So all I've done, I've covered them with some music paper, which is the same as like the book paper that I've got, and you can pop book paper over them as well. Really simple. Or leave them white. You can paint them or just leave them white and just put them together. You don't have to cover them, but I just like the paper on it. And then all as I did, I covered one side and then I've just pushed it through. Just push it through with your thumb. It's really soft music paper, or paper, you know, book paper. Oh, sorry, somebody's drilling. Next door's drilling. And then you just like pick it off, and then you've got your hole. It doesn't have to be perfect because we have these little connectors like this that go in. So if you miss some, this will cover your mistakes up. So, which is good. Let's get that out of the way. Now I've got two left that I've actually covered the front and the back. Now where's my ink? Here we go. So what I'm doing then is just going to ink around. Now this is just a quick video tonight because I've had such a busy day. It's been one of those days where I have started, well, this morning I got up and I thought, well, I'll just give the bedroom windows a quick wash. Well, it's like a patio door. So I thought, well, it's beautiful weather. I thought I'll just open it up, clean all the windows, and then I ended up washing the curtains and then cleaning, moving the bedside tables, cleaning it all. So one thing leads to the other, doesn't it? Have you had days like that when you think, well, I'll just do that, and then if you move that, well, I thought, well, I'll just clean under that bit. So, but I did rope Andy into it, bless him. So he cleaned all our blinds in the bedroom as well, which was nice. So it's all a nice fresh and clean in there now. And then I did actually go into my wardrobe and sort of started, not completely finished, sorting out some of my clothes. But I do have a little bundle that I thought I would use in my, pop in my little fabric stash. So I'm going to be cutting those up. It's too nice to sort of give away, or if you give it to a charity shop, it's, some of the fabric's too pretty. I'll show you actually, let me just show you. I've got this pretty one, which is beautiful, but it's got a rip in it. It's so thin that I do have a rip in it somewhere, but I've got all this lovely lace and embroidery on there. Such beautiful fabric. It would be lovely fabric for like an Easter journal, wouldn't it? So if I saw that in a charity shop, I'd probably buy it. So I thought, no, I'm going to keep it and cut it up. So, and I've got a few more other bits and pieces that I thought I'm going to cut up and pop in there, because I just don't wear them. So I'm recycling. But yes, we had a bit of a day of, you know, it's like when you go into a drawer, you sort of think, oh well, I'll just tidy this drawer out, and then you put things in another drawer, and then you have to end up tidying the other drawer out. It's just on, it's just one of those days. So tomorrow I'm going to have a bit of a quieter day, I think. I don't think I'll start anything. So that's those just inked around the edges. Now I'm going to just pop one of the little connectors through that side. And then I'm going to pop this one through that side. So you've got just two like that. Take one of your tubes and just push it on. A little bit of force, just pop it on, turn it over, pop it down. I found it easier to pop it onto a flat surface and push down. So there we go, easy. So then they're really simple to make up like that. Now I've got these to finish off, so I shall do that later. Now I've got all of this that I need to put in there. Now I've got this great big bundle. Can you see it? Just twiddles itself up and makes a big mess. So that's quite a long one, so I won't wrap that round one. This is quite a long one as well, and that's like a big ball, so that's going to take me a little while. But I think these two are a little bit shorter. I think these are probably 1 meter or so on here. Now what I'm going to do, oops, I just bent that. I'm going to put both of these on there because there's not a lot on there, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to take a little bit of tape, pop it on the end so it doesn't slip off, and then just, oops, if I can, pop that on there, just stick that on. It's easier to sort of wrap around then. And then I'm just going to wrap around this end. Just twist it around. I'm not going to pop it on too tight. It's just actually, if you dangle it off your desk, it tends to sort of unravel itself a little bit better. There we go. Just twist it round. Nice and simple and easy. There we go. And then I'm going to take one of my pins. These are my lovely pins. These I bought last time I bought the last of my little spools. They're about, I think they're about 2 inches long, and they're really, really lovely. They're really nice, and they were quite inexpensive as well. So if you see things like that, pick them up where you can. So again, I'm just going to pop this one on this end. Take a little bit of tape, stick that on, and then wrap that round. You can see where I've caught myself on my arm. That was moving my bed. So clumsy. So let's just wrap this around. So it's really, I just love it when they're all sort of like wrapped around the spools and stuff like that. Oops, can you hear that drilling? Do apologise. I think they look really nice, and it's really satisfying. Do you know what I mean? It's just one of those that you think, oh, it looks so pretty. Just looks so pretty. So that one I'm just going to pop on there. So I've got two on there. probably bring them into the middle so they don't look too odd, but I think that looks lovely. But look at these. This one I popped two different ones on there, because you don't want to, if you've got smaller bits, you don't want to use up a whole spool just to pop little bits on. And these are the sort of like little bits of trim that I got on here, so they're the ones with sort of like two of them on. And our lovely little ones, it's got little little balls on there, but it's really nice. And then I've got the velvet. This is beautiful, loving this one. That was a great big piece, and it's sort of like that peachy pink. It's a beautiful colour, so I can't wait to use all of this, and having it on view is just lovely. I just think it's fab, because it makes you sort of like use it a little bit more, or not if it looks too pretty. Now I'm going to start this one, but I won't do this on camera because it will take me forever, and I think it's a little bit sort of tangled, so I think this is going to take me a while to do. So I will leave it there. I will carry on with this, but I am loving these, so I thought I would just give you a recap anyway. So this is just a very, very quick video. But again, I will link the video down where I originally did it, and the one where I made them myself as well. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous rest of the day. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.